Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Sassman, and I'm going to get you started on your math lesson today. When you open up Buzz and go down to the math section, you are going to click first on this blue part right here. You are going to open it up, and just like some of the things we did last week, you are going to click on the blue part here that says Make a Copy. And that is going to open it up for you so that you have your very own copy to work with. Now, last week, we worked with this special math tool. Does anybody remember what it was called? Tell me. Shout it out to me so I hear it way over here. What was this math tool called? Well, it was called a 5-frame, right? Because there's 5 frames there, or 5 squares, or 5 boxes. Now, if this is a 5-frame, then what is this tool down here called? Any ideas? Any guesses? Well, this tool down here is called a 10 frame. A 10 frame. Why do you think that it's called a 10 frame? What do you notice about it, or what do you see on it that makes it maybe a 10 frame and not a 5 frame this time? Well, this 10 frame has 10 frames on it, 10 squares or 10 boxes. It's like two 5 frames joined together. So two 5 frames joined together make the 10 frame. And today you're going to do some exploring with your 10 frame. Okay. So on the 10 frames, you're going to see some dots. You're going to count up the dots, and then you're going to move that many fingers down from down here over to the spot over here to make it match. So there's 1, 2 dots. The 2 fingers are going to come over here to make it match. And then to check yourself, all you have to do is move the check over. And oh, 2, 2, you are right. Okay. But don't move this check until you've tried yourself. Okay. I want you to do it first. Then you can move this over and make sure that you got the right answer. So you are going to keep going. Okay, there's a lot of different 10 frames here that you can work with. Okay, you're going to count the dots. You're going to move that many fingers over from the bottom, and then you can move this over to check your work. When you get to the last part, you get to do some more exploring, and you get to move over 1 or 2 or 3, and then you can move the hands over from here, and then you can pick out what your favorite number is. Okay, so maybe you love the number 9. You can move over 9 dots, then move over the 9 fingers if you want. Okay, so that last part you get to do a lot of extra exploring. Okay, all right, get started on your 10 frame work, and I will see you next time.